Out of former President Trump tonight and the surprise turn in Georgia's election interference case. Trump's one-time attorney, Sidney Powell, who claimed Venezuela and Hugo Chavez, who is dead, by the way, was behind Trump's loss. Well, Sidney Powell suddenly pleading guilty today, now agreeing to cooperate with prosecutors. So what does this mean for Trump? Here's Aaron Katersky.
Sidney Catherine Powell.
She was at the center of Donald Trump's effort to overturn his 2020 loss, publicly pushing outlandish claims of election fraud and privately meeting with the former president inside the White House. But tonight, just one day before her trial was set to begin, Sidney Powell pleading guilty and agreeing to cooperate with prosecutors.
Ms. Powell, do you understand the charges that are against you here today?
I do.
Powell spread the false conspiracy theory Georgia election machines were controlled by Venezuela, even pointing a finger at the country's former dictator, Hugo Chavez, who was dead.
This was exported from Venezuela and by Maduro and by Mr. Chavez. This is the consummate foreign interference in our election.
In an Oval Office meeting on December 18, 2020, Powell allegedly suggesting Trump name her special counsel to investigate election fraud. In that same meeting, Trump and his team allegedly weighed seizing voting machines, even declaring martial law. As part of her plea deal, Powell is now required to testify against her co-defendants, including the former president. And David, Trump and his legal team were caught completely off guard by the guilty plea. Powell must now serve probation and write a letter of apology to the citizens of Georgia. David?
Aaron Katersky on this again tonight. Thanks, Aaron.